Morning students. Today we are going to discuss an important theory in chemistry, that is a conjugate acid base theory. First of all, we are going to see the definition of conjugate acid and base. The chemical substances that differ from each other with a hydrogen ion or a proton are called conjugate acid base. Okay. First of all, we see the what is meant by conjugate acid. Conjugate acid, the chemical substance that is formed by addition of H plus ion to a base. Okay. This is called conjugate acid. Then conjugate base, the chemical substance that is formed by removal of H plus ion from an acid, that is called conjugate base. But we are going to see the trick that is very useful to find out the which is the conjugate acid and the conjugate base. Now we are going to see the trick. Okay, that is very important trick. Okay students, hydrogen count increases for a substance. The count of hydrogen ion increases, then left act as a base, right act as a conjugate acid. For a substance, hydrogen count decreases, the left act as a acid and right act as a conjugate base. Now we are going to see an example. Okay, first of all, I am going to take the HCl. Okay, when HCl is dissolved in water, okay, then this H plus ion adds with water and forms the corresponding hydronium ion. Then Cl becomes Cl minus. Okay, now we consider this hydrogen count. Now this HCl contains one hydrogen. Here Cl does not contain any hydrogen. Okay, therefore based on the trick, hydrogen count decreases. Therefore this left side acts as acid. Okay, the same substance on the right side acts as a conjugate base. Then now we consider the water. Here number of hydrogen is equal to 2. Here number of hydrogen is equal to 3. If hydrogen count increases, left act as a base. Therefore here water acts as a base. Then on the right side it acts as a conjugate acid. Okay students, so this acid become a conjugate base. Similarly, the water acts as a base, that becomes a conjugate acid on the right side. This is one example. Now we are going to see the another example. When ammonia reacts with water, water present in the HOH form. Both hydrogen ion and hydroxyl ions are present in the water. This H plus ion adds with ammonia and forms NH4 plus and OH minus. Now we are going to apply the trick. Here in the ammonia, number of hydrogen is equal to 3. 3 hydrogen atoms are present here. Here number of hydrogens are equal to 4. Therefore it acts as a base in the left side. On the other hand, on the right side it acts as a conjugate acid. Conjugate acid. Okay, conjugate acid. Here it acts as a, water acts as a, or contains a 2 hydrogen atom. Here it contains a 1 hydrogen atom. Therefore here water acts as a acid and donate the H plus ion to the ammonia that acts as a base, then forms a conjugate base. Okay, then this is the side example. Now we are going to see the third example. When ammonium ion NH4 plus reacts with water to give the ammonia and hydronium ion H3O plus. Okay, first of all, by using the trick, we are going to count the number of hydrogen ion. Here number of hydrogen is equal to 4 hydrogen. Here number of hydrogen is equal to 3 hydrogen. Therefore, in the left hand side from the trick, it acts as a acid. Here it acts as a conjugate base. Here number of hydrogen is equal to 2 hydrogen. Here number of hydrogen is equal to 3 hydrogen. Okay. Here it acts as a, what acts as a base, and on the right hand side it acts as a conjugate acid. Okay students, this is a very good trick. By applying this trick, you can find out the conjugate acid and base very quickly. In a chemical reaction, hydrogen count increases. The left side acts as a base, then right side acts as a conjugate acid. Here ammonia acts as a left side base and right side acts as a conjugate acid. Then hydrogen count decreases. Left side acts as a acid and right side acts as a conjugate base. Here the water acts as a acid. In the right hand side it acts as a conjugate base. So this is a very useful trick. By applying the trick, you can find out the any conjugate acid base quickly. Okay, watch the video, share the video. Thank you.